Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add camera shakes to your camera just like the video. So stay with me until the end of the tutorial. To start, I made this animation and I'm going to create a camera and then add camera shake to it. To create a camera, you can create from here, create camera here and add a scene camera actor, or you can add it from here, cinematic and scene camera actor. The both method is the same, just add the camera and add it to sequencer just like this, and you need to adjust it here. It's here. I'm going to go the back of the character, and you can create a sphere and put it on the character, attach it to the character, so when the character moves forward, so you can attach the focus to the sphere. To do this, you can create the sphere from here, shapes, sphere, and bring it forward, make it smaller, I'm going to attach it to the camera, to the character head. I'm going to make it smaller. I will bring it down, make it smaller just like this, and add the sphere here to the scene and go to the first frame, and from here attach, click on preserve current, so the sphere won't move, and then from here attach, select the character, and you can choose, for example, head. As you can see, the sphere connected to the head, and when character moves, the character also moves. So this way you can attach the focus to this sphere, and when it moves forward you don't lose the focus. So click on the camera, go to the details panel, focus settings, tracking, and from here select sphere. If you select the character, when the character moves forward, you will lose the focus, but when you select the sphere, you won't lose the focus. So as you can see, the character is in the central focus. Also, again, set this one a little, but when he moves forward and you animate the camera, you don't lose the focus. So now it's time to animate the camera. Create a keyframe for transform and move forward with the character. You see, the character is still in the central focus, and we won't lose the focus because we attached the focus to that sphere. But if you select the character, you will lose the focus. Just like this, animate the camera, and after that you can give it camera shake. You see this this animation doesn't have any camera shake, but we will add it soon. You can create the keyframe until here, and when it moves you can move it with the character just like this. I will put a link in the description. You can download ready-made camera shakes, download it and copy this one and go to the content, right click, show in Explorer and paste it here, and right click and extract here with WinRAR. As you can see, camera shakes is added here in the content section. If you look for the camera shakes here, there are a lot of ready-made camera shakes. For example, walking. I'm going to add walking camera shake to the camera. To do this, go to the first frame and from the camera component click on track, template sequence, and look for walking camera shakes. For example, I search for walking A smooth, and you see this is the ready-made camera shakes. We add it to the camera this way so easily. You don't need to create it manually. You can also combine two camera shakes. For example, here when it's when it stops, you can cut these camera shakes with control question mark. Let me bring you on keyboard screen, control and question mark. With these two keys you can separate or split this layer, control and question mark, and I'm going to remove the second part, and from here you can add breathing, for example, because here it doesn't move, the camera doesn't move, and you need to add the breathing, and you can bring it to the left so two camera shakes will combine just like this. You see, so beautiful. We were able to add camera shakes to the cameras. If you don't like this one, you can delete it, go to the first frame, add another one. For example, walking C smooth 2. There are a lot of variables to creating camera shakes, and they are saved with different variables, and you can select one of them and to see the result. For example, this one, I'm going to split it here with control question mark, delete this one and bring this one up, and see the result with this new camera shake. You see, this one is different. So you can add different camera shakes and see the result. I'm going to add, for example, walking B smooth 0, split it here and bring it up and see the result with this one. You see, this one is different. So this way we were able to add camera shakes to our camera. You can download these camera shakes from the description below. I hope you like this video tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.